like it, I like it. You're winning. Come on. What you been up to, man?
Man, reading my Bible right now.
Oh, nice. Reading your Bible. I like it.
Yeah,
How many go to church?
Yeah.
Oh my God. Oh my. I like the enthusiasm. You are ready for this race. Yes, sir. Well, keep on pushing, man. The Bible college?
Bible college.
Increase that knowledge.
You know what I'm saying, bro?
Knowledge power.
You know what I'm saying?
Alright. Come on, press now. See you later, man.
Bro, let me let that happen.
Hey,
You know what I'm
man,
saying?
I'm gonna catch you up, man. Athletes, when they're running a race, they have 3 necessities that they need. One of them, water. You gotta have water. Also known as augmentation, or if you're chemistry, you also know as H2O. And they gotta have water because if they're not hydrated in their veins, they're not breathing, and they're not getting enough blood flow, and then their lips are chapped, and then they're not You gotta have shoes. If you don't have those right shoes, you don't have the right tread, you're freaking slipping, sliding with the back of that shoes. Stick it forward, you know what I'm saying? You gotta get that first place every time. And for those running racers, we got any in here, you know, those taking first place, you gotta have a towel. Wipe off the sweat and tears of their enemies. Like, watch out. Walking you guys off, you know what I'm saying? But in all seriousness, God also gives us the necessities that we need as we're doing our race going ahead. In Luke chapter 10, verse 19, it says, "Behold, I give unto you the power to tread on serpents and scorpions, and all the powers of the enemy, and nothing shall by any means hurt you." What that means is, God gives us all the power that we need to resist the devil. Anything that he throws at us, we can resist it, no matter what it is. Because God gives us the power to do that. And there's only one place the devil belongs. And that's right there on the ants after you step on him. Then he crawls under your feet. And when you have the water, that represents the wells of living water. And it says in John chapter 4, verse 14, "But whosoever drinketh of the water that I shall give him shall never thirst. But the water that I shall give him shall be in him a well of water, springing up unto everlasting life." And then you have the towel, which is by far one of the most important parts. Because it represents prayer. And it says in 2 Chronicles chapter 7, verse 14, "If my people, which are called by my name, shall humble themselves and pray, and seek my face, and turn from their wicked ways, then I will hear from heaven and will forgive their sin and heal their land."
Amen.
When he says that, when he says to humble yourselves, that doesn't mean you come over here to the altar and you're doing one of those prayers, like when you're about to get a bunch of food and you're about to eat it, and you know you're gonna eat a lot of food, and you're like, "God's good, God's great, don't let this food go to my weight." You can't do all those prayers. It has to be a deep prayer with God.
That's
You gotta
right.
come into the old-fashioned Pentecostal altar, and you gotta get right with God. You gotta zone out everything else around you, and it's just to be you and God. Your soul and your heart has to have that connection with God. You gotta pray and get what you need from God. And it says, and 1 Thessalonians chapter 4, verse 17 says, "Pray without ceasing." Because if you don't pray, you're never going to survive. The walk with God's not going to survive. It's not going to be strong. You got to pray because it's like your life and your shield. For my gamers out there, it's like drinking a slurp juice. You know what I'm saying? But you got to pray. You got to pray.
Yes, amen.
Oh, Logan. Logan. Hey, Logan, man, what's wrong with you, man? What's going on? What's going on?
Still running that race.
What happened? Just 3 months ago, remember? You're reading. What happened?
The devil tempted me, bro. The devil tempted me. Now, I go to church, I start reading my Bible, I start inviting people to church. Most of all, I start going to church, man.
Oh, man. Well, what you got in the back, man? What's weighing you down?
Bro, I'm too embarrassed to show that, bro. You know, people need to know what's going on with me, bro.
Well, you know you can't run a race with those weights on, man. You're just going to be weighing you down. You got to take them off.
I know, bro, but I don't think there's a race to run anymore.
You see on people, there's always, no matter what you do in life, no matter what sins you committed, no matter what you've done, no matter how disappointing what you have done may be, you never will stop running the race. You may be going at the race a little slower than others, but there's no point in giving up. Because there's so many times when we say, oh, the devil's too tough, or we can't do this, or we can't do that. And you can't just give up all the time. Because, like it said, Jesus gives us the power to resist everything, and nothing will hurt us. But we just gotta remember we can't give up on God. We can't give up on believing what He can do. You just gotta make sure that you pray, get some of that water, get the well-living water. You're gonna have your shoes and you're gonna have your top. And you just keep it together, and keep your walk with God strong. And Logan, I know we can help you, man. If you're ready to give it all to God, you can just take it right now. We're all over. Praise God!
Because of who you are.